my gosh. These are amazing. These are extra fancy. Look at those. So, I've got this finish a couple times in disc beads. It was for a project. A home style project. I don't remember what month it was. It was probably a year ago or longer. But wow. This is the diacrylic color on an acid wash bead. So the bead's acid wash. They put diacrylic over it. And look at that. And I swear that it's like more durable because it's acid wash. But the acid wash erodes the hole away more, making the holes bigger. Look at that. That is so cool. And these can be used in flowers. And I think I've done 10 of them in a flower.